Welcome to Beijing Onward Fashion, Digitalized coat factory. High-quality coats are crafted with advanced equipment and sophisticated processes for comfort and durability. Professional technicians with decades of experience ensure the perfect fit for every garment. They understand and meet the diverse needs, achieving precise material usage to minimize clients' costs. Fully automated laser cutting and visualized data ensure precise cuts with minimal waste and maximum efficiency. One operator handles one panel during pressing stage, professional and precision-oriented. Hand sewing with 4.5 stitches per centimeter, and machine sewing complement each other perfectly. A well-established production process ensures exquisite coats. Every coat has a well-crafted silhouette and represents exquisite craftsmanship. They are all exquisite pieces after 7 quality inspections. Beijing Onward Fashion Digitalized Coat Factory ensures high-standard production processes and prioritizes personnel safety. Additionally, we will offer the newest fabrics and fashion inspirations every season for selection. We are looking forward to contacting us for the better terms, services, and free samples.